guys, welcome back to my channel Saksham Bhoial Arts. It's Saksham and I wish you a very happy Diwali. Today's video is something special because in this we are planning to do some DIY related to Diwali. So let's start out this video with Matka decoration. So now we have completed this DIY which is Matka decoration. Now it's a time for another DIY which is Diya decoration, but I will not do that in this form. I will do that in different form which is really amazing. Also, if you are enjoying the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel which is Saksham Bhoial Arts. Also press the bell icon for such more videos. So hey guys, we are completed with this two DIYs. Personally, I like both. Which one you like? Let me know in the comment section. Also comment down below which is the next video you wanted to see. Till then, keep sharing, keep watching, and have a safe Deepavali. Bye bye.